Are you looking for the perfect home that matches your lifestyle and budget? Welcome to Saint Hedwig, Texas, a place where comfort meets convenience. In this video, I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of one of the most desirable built-to-rent homes in this charming little town. Stay tuned and explore this stunning property and find your dream home without stepping foot out of your current one. Don't miss out. Come on, let's go take a peek on the inside. Check out this yard. Huge. Thank you for joining me on this virtual home tour of one of Saint Hedwig's finest built-to-rent communities. I hope you found this tour to be informative and inspiring. If you spotted your dream home, or if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Mr210. Remember, your perfect home is just a phone call away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more home tours and real estate insights. Until next time, remember, I got the keys.